everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to use a little bit of blue today. The blue sky is inspiring me to add some blue into my makeup, so let's get started. First, I'm going to be using my MAC Cushion Foundation. This is just the MAC Studio Fix Complete Coverage Cushion Compact. I haven't used this in a while, so I thought I would use it today. I'm trying to really use up my cushion foundation because all my cushions are light for me and I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm slowly trying to finish them. Look how light this is. Look at the color difference. I'm gonna look like a ghost. But wow, I remember the MAC cushion filling in my pores like this. It did a really good job smoothing out the texture of my skin. That's why sometimes when I go back to my old cushion foundation, it feels like I'm using a new cushion foundation because I forget how they work. Okay, let's move on to the eyes. Today's look is actually going to be very simple. I'm gonna take this light blue color. This is just going to go on my outer corners, and I'm just gonna apply it very lightly. And then I'm kind of bringing it to my crease. Same thing on this side, just putting it on my outer corners. With a clean brush, I'm just going to blend this out. So next, I'm going to take this color right here. It kind of has a chrome effect, and then I'm gonna apply this on the inner half of my eyes. Same thing here, applying it on my inner half and then bring it up to my crease. I'm also blending the color in with the blue. I am taking the blue and applying it on my outer lower lash line. Same thing on this side, applying it on my lower lash line, just the outer half. And with another small brush, I'm taking the chrome color and applying it on the inner half of my lower lash line. With my ring finger, I'm gonna take this blue frosty shimmer and I'm just going to dab it on top of the chrome. Actually, I'm going to apply this everywhere. Now I'm taking a dark brown with a thin liner brush and I'm just going to line my eyes with it. I'm also going to curl my lashes because if I don't, the shadow is going to transfer down and I don't want that. So I always curl my lashes before I line my eyes. This also helps for me to go underneath my lashes. Then I'm going to draw my wing, but I'm going to draw a very, very thin wing. I'm going to take my contour with a liner brush. I'm just going to emphasize the eye fat, applying mascara. Now I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna do my brows. I did order new brow product, so it's coming. I didn't get it at the mall. I wanted this special set that was only available online and I didn't want to pay for shipping, so I thought might as well just order everything together so that I don't have to pay for shipping. And it's not I need that brow product now, because I still do have something for my brows, so I wasn't in a rush. That's why I just ordered it online. Let's contour my face. I'm hoping that the contour will kind of deepen my look and not make me look so pale. It's been such a long time since I've gotten a tan. I am outside more often now, so I can't avoid the sun. And even if you put on sunscreen, it's not gonna prevent you from tanning. I just don't do a good job of reapplying my sunscreen even though I should. And I think I'm just gonna get more tan because pretty soon I feel like I'm gonna be outside more than usual, more than I am now. So in my last video I was talking about how I'm not very motivated, and I was also thinking that it might have to do with the fact that big change is going to happen in my life. I don't want to say what the change is yet because just in case it doesn't happen, but there is a change that's happening and I'm so excited, and I'm only thinking about that change right now. Nothing else matters around me and all I want to do is prepare for that big change. Can anyone relate? If there's something big that's happening, that's all you think about. Okay, so I know I said that it might not happen, but it's 90% chance that it's gonna happen, so it's gonna happen. But you never know, right? You never know, something could come up. I'm really hoping that it does happen because in a way it really needs to happen. Now I'm just adding highlight to my nose and then on my cheekbones. Lastly, for my lips, I'm adding like a touch of plum color and I'm going to add a gloss over it. I'm going to line my eyes with a liquid liner. If I had like light brown contacts, it would totally go with this look, but I'm like out of my contacts right now, so this will do. But anyways, this is my complete look. Just a nice blue and purple makeup. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me in this get ready with me. Please like this video and comment what big change is happening in your life. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.